RIME, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Algorhythm holding stock, sitting a good just south of $3, you know, and we had a split today, so that's that factor. Although we got a split, it's still 13% down. That doesn't change anything. All my previous drawings were bearish, and I'm gonna try and keep them like they were before, where they were before, like the drawings. So something like that. And you can see like my previous thoughts on this was just always short side, and I caught some wild shorts, like for example this +4R prediction for risks was taken there, and generally speaking the price just keeps melting and melting and melting. Now my 2 cents on this is that the most likely thing that's about to happen next, it's still more lows, more lower lows being made, but unless there's a big catalyst and the price gives me some sort of a freaking shift above 646, then I'm not gonna be bearish. So otherwise it's bearish for me. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the very first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.